It's a brief inspection that we were going to do here. It's another Haglund that came in and it gets work over. This one has had a whole bunch of engine work and it's just starting to wear in again, sound better.
Injectors and all that seem to be a lot of issues. A lot of people don't service these things properly. It should sound like that. Pump out right now, we're going to rebuild that.
Well, these things go through a full inspection. We found some rough wires way under there. They're sooner or later going to cause problems, so we have to pull that part out. Everything's been degreased. No electrical rebuild. Fixed, repaired, whatever. Everything's where it should be. See it. It's a BV206. All the warnings on her. Walk to this compartment. I'm just checking out and I found that it needs some battery mounts and stuff and took some obsolete wiring out. Make sure all the flappers and the valves and all that work for the water. We built all the linkage controls. They're so far out. It's got an exact setting. Things work pretty good. But close the doors on this. I'm just kind of going through a break-in sequence right now with the engine. We did some upper head work here. But this is Frank's machine here. It's AAA Haglund Ventures. It's all greased up. I'd say that's good for go.